information about who's driving this vehicle. Jeff, can you tell us where the chase started?
We're hearing reports that the pursuit began near the La Brea area, then traveled to a warehouse district south of the 10 freeway.
Can you see how many people are in the car?
It appears to be just the one, the driver. We're not sure if that's the owner of the car. What you're seeing here are pictures of the 10 freeway south of downtown.
Is that a Camaro, Jeff?
Yes, it looks like a vintage early 70s model.
Roll down the window and show us your hands now!
Now slowly open the door with your left hand.